Hi there. So I just wanted to hop on and give you a few tips and tricks for the tail of your ring sling. So one of my favorite things to do that comes in handy a lot, right from when they were in the sling as itty bitty babes to even right now, I twist the tail and then bring it up right behind their neck. And then I roll over that top rail, which is a little harder right this second because she's fallen asleep the way that she is, but you roll over this top rail over top of it, and then use this as neck support or head support for those little sleeping babes. And then I will also roll it, twist it rather, and then follow her knee just like this and go right underneath and then tuck it in the back. So that's another fun way to do. While it's twisted, I'll show you a fun one that I like to do. You twist it and then follow the rings like this, and then bring the wrist up under and through the rings and pull, and it makes a cute flower. Another thing that I like to do is, now that it's getting colder, I use my tail as an extra layer for my sling. So I'll take this, wrap it around, and then tuck it in the top and tuck it in the bottom, and that gives a little extra warmth for her. The length of my sling is perfect for me and for my babe, and it's great as a sun cover, a sunshade, or a nursing cover. I know that a lot of people really like wrapping the tail around their rings, and I have a mid-length, so there's kind of a lot of tail to be doing for me. So what I like to do is kind of just pinch it just a little bit below, and then I will take this and I will wrap it once around, and because it's like that pinched fabric there, then all I do is just take this up and cover it up and then just tuck it inside. And then my rings are that wrapped effect, but when I need them undone, I can just easily just pull one time. Nice fun. So I hope that those were easy tricks for you. A simple one that I do often just to pick up the tail a little bit is I just take the little bit of fabric, just tuck it in to the rings from behind, and then just fan it out. It's simple and it's super sweet. I hope that was helpful. If you ever have any questions, feel free to message me or any of the team members, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks. Bye.